there, beautiful. My name is Carrie from Makeup Madhouse, and today I am going to be showing you how to do this beautiful makeup look. We are taking classic Hollywood glam and turning it into a modern makeup. This look features the Brow Bar by Reema Hollywood Icon Face Kit in Drama Queen. I'm obsessed with this palette. It's all in one. We are going to map out the eye makeup with the Flawless Eyeliner Gel in black. I use a thin detail brush to sketch out where I want the makeup to be. Next up, we're using the Drama Queen palette to start adding eyeshadow. I'm using the dark brown shimmery color and adding that into the outer corner and then blending it inward on my eye. Next, I'm using the matte tan color in the palette and covering the rest of my lid. I'm using the contour shade in the palette to go under my eye. This is going to blend nicely with our skin later when we use it for contour. I love the green shimmery shade in the palette, so I'm going to tap a little bit of that onto the center of my lid, and this is going to give us a pop of color. We are going to brighten up the inner corner of the eye by taking the gold shimmery shade and tapping that into the inner corner. Let's complete the eye look today with some Brow Bar by Reema Diva lashes. You can see the beautiful impact they make and round out the full look. And the final step for our Drama Queen makeup is the True Shine Chrome lipstick in the shade Lust Me. And that is it for today's makeup. Make sure you all stay connected with myself, Makeup Madhouse, on social media, as well as Brow Bar by Reema. Have an amazing day, and I will see you next time.